Here's the top 5 free resources for your affiliate marketing business. And the best thing is it takes less than 10 minutes to cover each of them. All you're going to need to do is shoot one 60-second video and post on the following. And don't worry, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this process. So stick with the video to the end and you'll learn exactly how to do it. Number 1 is TikTok. Number 2, Instagram Reels. Number 3, YouTube Shorts. Number 4, Facebook Reels. And number 5, Pinterest. And if you've no idea where to start, go ahead and get vidIQ. You can download it for free and check out the daily ideas. So what I wanted to do was start with this one. 5 free affiliate marketing traffic sources that make you stupid not to use, which is exactly the title of this video. And when I ran it through vidIQ, it actually showed a really good score on this level here. We want low competition and medium to high search volume. So I knew it was going to be a good one from the start. And there is a little bit of a process to it. And I challenged myself to see just how long it would take from start to finish to get it done. So again, if you want to stick around, I'm going to put a stopwatch on and we can see just how long it takes. And of course I would have to pick a day where people are working around here. So it's going to make it really difficult to get the sound right, but I'm going to try my best to get this as good and as clean as possible and hopefully not dip in and out the shadows too much. Back in the room now just to set that clock going. So wherever it is around here, let's go. To shoot the video, I went right to the top of our villa. It's got absolutely amazing view, but there's only one problem. It's right next to the pool. And I like the pool, really like the pool. But I've got to really get to grips with it. I need some inspiration. So let's get warmed up. Let's get ready to go. Make sure I take the glasses off, do the hair, and I'm about ready to shoot the video. So the scene was set. I've got my lovely rigid tripod. Remember to take my glasses off and a cool drink because let's face it, everyone needs a cool drink. Now I also wanted to make sure that I've got everything queued up on my phone ready to go. So everything is really looking good. I've got the comments I want to use, the script I want to use, and I've actually recorded the video, downloaded it, ready to go onto Snaptic. It's super fast paced, yeah, because we are trying to do this quickly, but if you follow me, I've downloaded it to my phone and then I've uploaded it. So it is kind of needs to be really, really quick when we're doing this, right? So if you can follow along, you kind of get the idea. I'm putting it onto TikTok right now and let's see how the time's going. Yep, we're looking good still. So next thing to do is we need to start putting it on the other platforms. So we're going to go for Instagram next. We're going to use it as a reel. So we're going to upload that. And of course, once that's loaded, copy and paste the description into there. We can put hashtags in Instagram as well, which is cool. Next up is Facebook. So we're going to be super quick on this one. Lots of clicking of fingers. The video's uploading. We're going to throw in the description again. And we are just about ready and done. Make sure it's available to everybody, so not just your friends on Facebook. Next one, Pinterest, we get that one ready. Exactly the same thing. This time we're going to do a pin and we're going to upload the video. We're going to put a short title in to start with, but also make sure you copy the whole description there because you can put hashtags in the description as well. Okay, so we copy and paste again from the script that I had to begin with and all the hashtags. We're ready to go. And if we are almost ready, yeah. With the search tags, there's not a lot for affiliate marketing, but I like affiliate marketing, and also I sometimes put marketing on that. Occasionally I put other things like email lists. I save it to a board and we're good. Next up, YouTube Shorts. So again, we're going to upload the same video. We're going to put the title in there, and it does actually say, I believe, we can put the tags in later on. So just for the state of putting it in now, we're going to upload, ready to go, and hopefully now we're going to be all good. So that's really short and sweet on uploading, and it's only took a few minutes. I would say probably about a few minutes to do the whole thing. And the nice thing here is that the whole process is pretty simple and straightforward. You're creating one piece of content, creating 5 different places to put it. And of course, there's more than that as well. So if you've got a Facebook business page, you can upload that as a story or as a reel, and of course, post it onto your Facebook profile and your Facebook business profile at the same time, right? So it is pretty straightforward to do and it doesn't take a lot of time. But how often do you need to do it? Well, I would suggest you could do this once, twice, 3 times a week maybe. At the moment, I'm doing around 5 or 6 times a week. But again, I've got time to do it, so it's whatever's good for you. And you're always going to need products and services to sell as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move on to that one next. So make sure you stick around because we're not done just yet. And as I said, if you want to know what to sell, then go ahead and click on this video next so we can walk through some passive income ideas and how you can get started with it.